Welcome to learn how to code the Go programming language. My name's Todd McLeod, and I'm a professor of computer information systems and computer science in California. You are at the best place in the entire world for learning the Go programming language. There's a series of videos down beneath this video which will explain to you different aspects of why this is the best place in the entire world for learning the Go programming language. But in this video, I just want to take a moment and share my thoughts on why I think Go is the absolute best programming language that you can learn today. First and foremost, Go is the fastest growing, highest paying programming language in America. Let me repeat that. Go is the fastest growing, highest paying programming language in America. Secondly, Go was created by geniuses. So Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, Robert Gressimer, I'll explain who these gentlemen are in the course. But they're basically the same individuals who built the bedrock of computer science. They helped create the B programming language, the C programming language, the Unix operating system, and UTF-8. So the individuals who created the foundations of computer science have now created a new programming language in conjunction with Google. It's the Go programming language, and it's the best programming language to have ever been created. In my perspective, it's the next step in the evolution of programming languages. So it's the highest paying, fastest growing language in America. It's the next evolution in the step of programming languages. It's created by geniuses and it's open source, and it has a variety of other benefits that you're going to learn about in the course. So click any of these buttons on this page to buy this course, or watch any of the other videos which follow, which will tell you more about the Go programming language and why this course is the best course for you to purchase to learn the Go programming language, and why it's going to be a great investment of your time and money so that you could forward your skill set and have more career opportunities and build more amazing pieces of software. So welcome to this course. I'm super excited you're here. I know that you're in the best place in the entire world for learning the Go programming language, and I look forward to seeing you in class and helping you learn this amazing programming language. See you in class.